Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Cherise. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell and turn your post notifications on so you can see my videos. Okay, so yeah, we're back with another video, and I don't know, I like how this look came out. I don't know, every time I do my makeup I just feel so freaking good. I feel so nice and cute. You know, these last few days have been a struggle, to be honest with you. I have not posted in a few days because I don't know, I feel like I was just going really stir crazy with like just having so much free time, and yeah, I don't know what to do with myself. So I was kind of like held up in the bed and just feeling real blah. So yeah, now filming this look, I just feel so refreshed. I feel good. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. I'm trying to make a TikTok for forever, and I've just gotten so lazy these last few days. I just feel like depressed. Not really, but probably low-key. I'm just so tired of being in the house. I just lay in bed. But anyways, we're back up. We're doing this video because, you know, we gotta stay productive since we're home. Yes, we're going back into the Morphe 3502 palette. Yes, it's all messy, but who cares? So we're gonna be going into this orange shade as our transition. Just gonna be putting that all over the lid. Then for the next shade, I'm gonna be going in with this brown shade right here. And I'm gonna put that directly on my lid. And I'm gonna go back in with that first brush and just blend those two together. So now we're gonna go in with this dark shade right here. As the last shade, we're just gonna use that one and then put that right on the lid. So I want to be a little bit darker. So now I'm gonna just put some mascara on because we're gonna put lashes. And the look is not done yet, guys. We gotta do the whole transformation. So yeah, we gotta do the foundation and everything and then put the whole look together, okay? Okay, so now that we have the lashes on, we're gonna move on to the face. So I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay, of course, in the shade 312. I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand because I'm trying to use less product. And we're just gonna go in with some concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Medium 25. Just gonna spray some setting spray on it just to moisten it back up and my face too. I'm just gonna go on with this contour palette. This is by Ruby Kisses. And I'm just gonna take this shade right here. I'm gonna just put the contour right here. And Then we're gonna just blend that out. So now I'm gonna just put like a small amount first. I'm trying out a new technique to see if it makes a difference. So I'm gonna just put like a light layer first. And then I'm gonna bake afterwards. Now we're gonna go ahead and bake it. And I'm using the Coty Airspun loose powder, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and put it on the outer corners. But I'm taking this last amount because I feel like it's probably making me look mad light. I'm just gonna go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm using the Sculpting shade to bronze up the face. Then we're just gonna blend everything in. I'm gonna be using my Ciate blush, and this is in the shade Marble Light Dusk. I'm just smiling. Let me take my hair off. Let me take this bitch off. And then I'm just gonna go in with the burnt orange shade that we used for the transition shade first. I'm going with some black line, and I'm using some regular eyeliner from the beauty supply store. I'm gonna just put that under our eye. And that is gonna go on your waterline. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. So we're going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sugar. And we're using shade, which color do I want to use? I want it to be bright. So we're gonna use a Marshmallow for the inner corner highlight, because we want it to be real freaking poppin'. Yes. Just blend that in under the brows. Then for the final step, lips. We're gonna get on to the lips, which is one of my favorite parts. I've been looking for this nude lipstick everywhere it was in my freaking makeup thing, where it should be, but I can never find my stuff. So I'm using the Black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Dollface. We're gonna put on setting spray and then some highlight. So I'm using the Morphe setting spray, the continuous mist, and I'm done. My shit is done. So the new trick that I've been doing to kind of like not have it be like a really harsh line, just going straight across, is that I just like swipe it with like kind of big brush. Just swipe it like that. And now it's just kind of all over my cheek. And this way you don't use too much highlight and, you know, look all cakey and stuff. But let me not go overboard. But look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb. So this is it for this video, guys. This is how the look turned out. So I curled my hair up and I put it in a half up, half down. So this is the final look, you guys. I think it came out so freaking cute. So this is it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also turn your bell notifications on so you can see every time I post a video, so you can never miss an upload. Okay, turn your bell notification on all, not personalized. Okay, turn that bell on. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.